In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sales pop-up in your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Apps. In the search field, type Sales Pop-up and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store with a list of related apps. From the search results, look for an app called Shopify Sales Pop-up and Proof. Click on it to open the app page, then click the button to install it. Follow the on-screen installation prompts until the app is fully added to your store. When the installation is done, you'll be taken to the Shopify Sales Pop-up dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll see different campaign options. Find the card labeled Sales Pop and click the Create button on that card. This is where you'll set up and customize your first sales pop-up. Now you'll see the main editor. Your settings and styling options are on the left-hand side, and a live preview of your pop-up is on the right. As you adjust options, you'll see changes update in real time, which makes it easier to get the look you want. Start under the Data tab. Here, you can control what order information the pop-up uses. You can change the look back days, which is how far back the app will look at your orders. The default is 30 days and the maximum is 60 days. You can also choose whether to import any order status and whether to sort orders randomly, depending on how varied you want the notifications to look. Then select your product filter. You can show all products, only include specific products, or exclude certain products so they never appear in the pop-up. Next, move to the Settings tab. This is where you control the content and behavior of the pop-up. Edit the main message to match your brand's tone. Decide if you want to show a fallback message when there isn't enough buyer information. You can set a fallback customer name and location so your pop-ups still look complete and professional. Choose how many pop-ups can appear per page and decide whether to use a random delay between them. Set the time between each pop-up, how long each one stays visible, and how long to wait before the first pop-up shows. Then, choose which pages of your store will display the pop-up, and whether it should show only on specific product pages. You can also choose the pop-up position on the screen and fine-tune it with pixel adjustments. Decide if it should be hidden on mobile devices, and if not, you can set a different position for mobile. Under Extra Options, you can show or hide the close button, hide the time on the pop-up, and enable a quick view option if you want customers to access the product faster. Then, go to the Styles tab to control the visual design. Choose a template that fits your store's aesthetic and select the pop-up shape. Decide whether to use a background image, and if you prefer a simpler look, you can leave that unchecked. Finally, customize the background color, text color, and product link color so everything aligns with your brand identity and remains easy to read. When you're happy with your setup, go to the top of the page near the search bar and click Save. This will apply all of your changes. To preview your pop-up on your store, look at the left panel in your Shopify admin, hover over Online Store, and click the eye icon that appears on the right. Wait for your store preview to load. Once the page is open, navigate a bit and watch for your sales pop-up to appear in the position you set. For example, you might see it show up in the lower left corner if you chose that location. If anything doesn't look right, you can go back to the app, adjust your settings or styles, save again, and refresh the preview until you're satisfied with how your sales pop-ups appear to your customers.